Hey, it's Gina from WTI. When I look for new curtains, there's a couple things that are super important to me. Number one, that they be quality, and number two, that they look beautiful. These real linen curtains from Miuco are so gorgeous, and I am just in love with how they look in our RV. I got them specifically to divide the bedroom from the bathroom part of our RV. You can see that these are not blackout curtains. They are light filtering. So they do let through a good amount of light, but they give a small amount of privacy as well. I love the texture of these. Of course, they're linen, so it's not just one color. It has a tiny bit of tan throughout the natural color of the curtains. These are both rod pocket and back tab curtains. Where I use them, I had to attach them with little clamps because that's the type of hanging situation that we have, and it worked really well. I think it's so cute, and I just love the way they hang. They come with 2 rope tiebacks, and I've had so much fun draping that in different ways, so it gives it just this really elegant entrance into the bedroom. I got the 84-inch length because I'm going to hem these for the area that I need them in, because it was between a 72 and 84-inch length. But I love that it comes with weights on the bottom, so they really stay in place and they're not just going to blow all over the place if you have windows open. I could not be more pleased with these curtains. They have exceeded my expectations. I really just love them so much. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.